To create a Western Union bank account is not possible, as Western Union is a money transfer service that allows individuals to send and receive money globally. It is not a bank. However, individuals can link their bank accounts to Western Union to send and receive money. To send money through Western Union, you will need to create a Western Union profile. First, go to the Western Union website or visit a Western Union location. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, address, and government-issued identification. Next, verify your email address and phone number to secure your account. You will then be able to send money to recipients globally using your bank account, credit card, or debit card. To receive money through Western Union, the sender will need your name and location. You can then pick up the money at a Western Union location near you with a government-issued identification. When using Western Union, ensure you are sending money to trusted individuals and keep your account information secure. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with sending and receiving money through Western Union, as they vary depending on the location and the amount being transferred. It is also essential to note that Western Union has transfer limits, which vary depending on the country and the type of transfer. By following these steps and best practices, individuals can use Western Union to send and receive money globally in a secure and efficient manner.